Welcome back to our tutorial video series. In this video, I will guide you step by step how to update STOREPIFY Theme. First, you need to log into your Shopify store. Then select Online Store. Themes. You need to upload a new version file. And to move the configuration from old version to new version, go to Current Theme, Edit Code, and Settings Data and File, and copy all code lines. Back to Dashboard. Go to Theme Library. Find the new version of the theme that you added. Edit Code. And Settings Data and File. And paste the code that you copied. Save. Back to Dashboard. And publish the new version of the theme. Hope you will find it is easier to use. Please like and subscribe to our channel if this video is useful for you. And if you want to get more tutorial videos from us. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next tutorial videos.